individuals.
Good day, everyone. We are here in front of Community Learning Center because we found out that Mr. Carl Roger is here to share his study about theory of the self. Good day, Mr. Carl Roger. Can you share for us your study about theory of the self?
In this theory, I focus on the individual's self-concept, which is the person's overall perception of his abilities, behavior, and personality. I define the self as a organized, consistent pattern of perceived characteristic of the I or me. I think a person has positive self-concept only if he has a positive self-regard. I also added that to have a growth-promoting climate, three conditions are required. Geniuses, acceptance, and empathy. For me, these three nurture growth not only in relationship between parents and child, leader and group, teacher and student, administrator and staff, but in fact, between any two human beings. And that's all. Thank you.